Ah, yes, a paper cut, the single most dramatic event in an office worker's day. Seconds after injury, your body panics. Platelets, the tiny first responders, rush in and form a clot. Basically, a microscopic traffic jam made of protein. Then comes the cleanup crew. Immune cells show up, eat all the bacteria and dead stuff, and cause that lovely red, puffy swelling. Thanks for the fashion statement, body. Next, fibroblasts, your body's little construction workers. Start laying down collagen like drunk IKEA employees. The result? A fresh, pink scar. Over months, the scar matures, turns white, and stops itching. But let's be honest, you're still gonna pick at it. And that's how you turn a wound into a souvenir. Nature's weird. Don't forget to like and subscribe, unless you're a scab. Then just fall off already.